Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to get back into it. I feel like I just did a video, but at the same time I feel like I didn't. I feel like just a lot of stuff been going on this week, but we keep it moving. So I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm kind of feeling a little dark. I'm going with red today. We're gonna do red lips as well, or I might use my butter gloss. I really want to use it, it's so pretty. And we're gonna go with a dark red eye, like a burgundy eye. Because it's raining outside, it's such a down blue day. I would go with blue, but I'm like, no, I didn't have blues for right now. So we're just gonna go with red and we're gonna keep it moving. Let's get right into this video. So I'm gonna first apologize, guys, while I'm moisturizing my face because my dorm is right beside the road. So I hear cars 24/7 and it's so annoying. I got my friend testing out. Well, she's she's starting YouTube, and she told me that she bought a microphone, I guess, like a to take the sound away. So she's gonna tell me how it works so I can get one, because I really don't want to hear like the outside like extra noise. It gets on my nerves, and I don't want it in my video. So I'm definitely gonna like be up in these videos with more technology when she tell me what that is, because I cannot do it. It also annoys me. It annoys me editing the video sometimes because it's just like you hear cars when I'm like by the window. And it's just really, I swear, y'all. Also, I leave in like, I think it's next week. Yep. It's like next week, 2 days. 7, 8, 9. We're almost there. Almost going to Canada, guys. My road trip is coming up. I'm excited. My hair looked good, actually. Can we talk about that? Look at this. Like, I don't have to cut it right now. Thank God. It's really short. That's why I wanted it really short, because it takes a while to cut. So I'm gonna bleach it and cut it the day before I leave, because it'll been grown by next week. So maybe it's not, but I'm still gonna cut it down. But I really want this like platinum blonde. So I'm bleaching this a lot when I go home next weekend. So I'm excited. Look forward to that. I'm trying to see. I might do a video on that though. I might do a video. Yeah, I'll do a video. Love my hair videos. So I'm gonna start with my brows, y'all. I feel like I'm going back to like shaving the ends off. I don't know, I used to always love doing that because like it makes more sense to me, because I always fix them anyway and their ends always grow so weird. But I think I'm okay with this. I shaved them off a little bit. Anyways, we're gonna fill in our brows. I'm gonna go with my brow palette. Okay guys, so I finished my brows and I've set my concealer under my eyes for my eyeshadow. I also put the shirt on because I didn't want no red getting on my black shirt. So we are gonna go in. We are using the 35. Is it XX? SX? XS, yes. How do I not know this, y'all? I'm a mess. The No Silent Nights palette. I used this a few times during Christmas, but I'm gonna be using this, and I still have the paper on there if you want to learn how to do some different eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using, I kind of want to use the Hargo Booms with the Berry Mary. So these are the colors. And I want to use one of these. I think I might go with this one, the Velvet Rope. So we're gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this on my eyes. And it's a really soft eyeshadow. I just be wanting to make sure that I don't drop anything. Oh yeah, that's nice. I kind of want to mix it though, because I feel like it's like, no, I'm gonna mix this with the Berry Mary, because that was more burnt orange. And it doesn't waste at all, so I really didn't need the shirt. You can never be too sure. I always try to make sure I don't get none on my shirt, because I don't want my eyeshadow to smudge on it. And I'm over here watching, what am I watching, huh? Charmed, the original Charmed. I'm such a sticker for nostalgia shows. So I'm always watching Charmed, the original Sabrina, the Sabrina the Teenage Witch. I'm such a little child, y'all. I stay watching Disney Channel. That's So Raven. That's my show. Hannah Montana. That's my show. I'm 24, but I'm still like a kid inside. It would never go away. I want my kids to watch those shows as well. I need to watch Sweet Life of Zack and Cody today. I was also watching Home Alone, and my favorite horror movie I'm going to watch tonight, which is Halloween. That is my favorite horror movie. I might binge watch all the Halloween films tonight. I can find them somewhere. I know they have like a couple on Peacock. I think they got the original one like YouTube, the full movie of Blend. And I just gotta figure out where, because Halloween 4 is on YouTube and it's really good quality. I need the it's making me get into movies, y'all. It's funny because like I love Halloween, but it's like there's like three in the whole trilogy of Michael Myers movies that I can't watch, and that is the Halloween, the witch thing. I'm not into that one. It's too culty for me. Halloween. Is it three? No, Halloween 2007. That's when they did the remake of him, like his story. And then it's the one after that when he went to go look for his sister. She was a teenager then. I can't watch that one. I don't like that one. That was a weird one. Also at the 2018, I don't watch that one. I want to watch that one. Halloween Kills. Nope. Halloween Ends. I didn't hate it, but I wouldn't watch it again. My sister hated that movie. I remember talking about that with her. We was talking about it. She hated it. Absolutely hated it. So yeah, I blended this out and it went like more burgundy kind of. It works though. So now we're gonna go in with our eyeliner, guys. Now that we have our eyeliner, guys, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. You know, sometimes I wish that like I could just make all cars stop moving, because you would think sometimes it'd be so loud that you would think I'd stay in the city, which I do not. It's like I don't know where people be I don't know where people be going. I'm using my Maybelline 355 Fit Me foundation. I also need to get some more because I'm actually running out. I need to make a trip. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my concealer. I use the Fawn and Toffee mixed together. And this is my favorite concealer. I always say it. Y'all want to hear something funny? Yesterday I was rushing to class trying to put, I wasn't rushing, but I was trying to rush to do my makeup to get a good parking spot. And I like had my makeup on and I didn't even know. I looked in the mirror. I was recording. I was trying to record to see how I look because it looks different on, you can't really see everything just in the mirror when it's like not even light outside. So I recorded myself and didn't even know I was doing my foundation too fast, and had like a blot of like foundation. I did not like blend up here. I was like, what the heck? I'm happy I had my little to-go makeup bag. See, it always comes in handy because you never know when you'll need it. I had my sponge, my foundation in it. I was like, oh my God, let me like get this together. But that was actually so funny. So we're just gonna blend all of this in. So the blending of the concealer actually did not take that long, guys. I did really good timing this time. I'm proud of myself. I'm getting better with my timing because y'all, I used to take forever to blend because I used to make sure it was perfect. But no need to worry because I got it done in good timing. Okay, guys, so I finished blending everything. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna go in and gonna set my powder. Well, set my face with my powder. So I was looking at the news yesterday and it was like a little quick thing about, they was talking about TikTok, of course. I'm not a big fan of TikTok. I don't use it like that. But they was talking about that beauty filter. Of course, I go to the comments and I'm like, what nonsense people saying. And it actually do make you look like really realistic. It really does make you look really realistic, y'all. That's what they was talking about. I tried it out because I was like, let me see. Okay, I didn't look too much different. I had my makeup on, but it wasn't good. So I was like, okay. It really just made my foundation like a little darker. I guess contour, eyeshadows. Like, I'm like, first of all, who made that? But it wasn't like all that to me. So I wouldn't use it. That's what I'm saying. I hate when they be like, you have guys who be looking, they be like, they're lying. Okay, first of all, ain't nobody, well, you know, some girls do it. Ain't nobody trying to like take a picture and send it with that filter trying to say it's you. But you know, some people do be doing that. I wouldn't do that. I don't use filters. What I was like, I know I said I really don't, but I don't send people like pictures with filters on them. Even on Snapchat, I think those filters are stupid. I'm just not a fan of them all either. They look really weird. I'm not with all like they like the fake blush up there and the tighter jaw thing. That's an Asian thing. That's not me. So I would not use that. So I'm gonna go with my same eyeshadow and I'm gonna go under my eye. And but yeah, that filter is very realistic. It's very interesting. I was like, oh dang, I really wanna know who did that though. That's like some creativity stuff right there. It's creative, but it's not for me, y'all. Them filters be like doing too much, and I do not have time for that because I really hate how it looked. And they say it's already been used over like 20 million times. I wanted to use it because I was so curious though of what it looks like. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my contour on the outside of my face. I wonder where do people be going because they get on my nerves all this driving. I don't leave unless I got to. Are they going to work? Is that what it is at 10 o'clock? I thought work starts like 8 or 9 o'clock. Who's going to work at 10? Maybe they're taking an extra shift. It's just like nonstop traffic. And I'm like, where are y'all people going, man? So, yeah. But yeah, I don't feel like I do too much. I just like cover my blemishes because I have dark circles under my eyes. And it's just when I do a full face when I'm doing my makeup. I'm not like contouring nose. I ain't got time for that. I just don't do it. I don't need to do all that, I think. This is just what I'm comfortable with. So now I'm gonna go in with my blush. And I'm gonna use the berry blush. It's the darkest one I have. It's not called berry, it's in my Blush and Bali palette. It is a berry, it's called pomegranate. If I can find my brush. Here we go. This is like really pretty color. Let me stop or I overdo it. I'm excited about my makeup and when I travel. I can't wait to see what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now we are going to go in with, I'm gonna actually finish this. You know me, this is what I do. I gotta set this. Actually, no, I need to do the corner of my eye. See, I always forget. Let me get my brush. Here we go. Yeah, I just be hearing me get my brushes because there's like a lot over here. I'm gonna go in with my, I don't really wanna go with gold. I think I'm gonna mix two. I feel like it brings like a little more just cuteness to it. Okay, so I'm gonna add my mascara, lashes, set my face, lipstick, erasing. You guys will see the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love how it turned out. I tried the new, this is the butter gloss. I think I wore it once in a video. This is the color Rocky Road. I got this from Ulta. It was like $5 or $6. I think it was $5. But it's really pretty. It smells delicious. It's really glossy. That's why I got it. I also have this in like a, actually I think I don't have it no more. But I need to get a couple on because I kind of want every color. I like the nudes and butter gloss. It's so pretty. But I absolutely love it. And it brings the whole look together. You see, I set my face. I got my lashes on, corner eyes, earrings. We're ready to go. It makes it a little more pink, but it works. Also because it's raining, it kind of gives me that mood without feeling blue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @IamTatiana. Follow my makeup channel at Makeupwithtatyana, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Stay tuned for more. Oh my god, these freaking cars. Okay. Where are these people going? Okay.